Verifying your account with Citizens Bank is an important step to ensure the security of your personal information and access to banking services. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Gather required information. Before you start the verification process, make sure you have all necessary information at hand, such as your social security number, account number, and any identification documents that may be required. Step 2. Visit the Citizens Bank website. Go to the official Citizens Bank website. Look for the login section or the account verification link, which is usually found on the homepage or under the customer service section. Step 3. Log into your account. Enter your username and password to log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you may need to create one or follow specific instructions for new users. Step 4. Navigate to account verification. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Complete the verification process. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. This may include answering security questions, uploading identification documents, or confirming your identity through a phone call or email. After completing these steps, you should receive confirmation that your account has been successfully verified. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Citizens Bank customer support for assistance.